This recipe is too easy and too good. You gotta try it. All you need is 2 apples, about 2 teaspoons of seasoning, and about 2 hours. Just slice your apples real thin. If you don't have an apple tree, then store-bought is fine. Then you toss your slices in your seasoning, and then you bake them for an hour at 220 degrees Fahrenheit or 105 degrees Celsius. Take them out, flip them over, and then bake them for another half hour to an hour. You decide when they're crunchy enough.
A little spicy. Sweet though. It's like candy. I could eat the whole bowl.